Thank you for coming to our website. My name is Dalen Lawrence. I'm the CEO of Unity Controls. Unity controls and monitors HVAC package units, lights, freezers, coolers, doors, and more, and does it in a way that saves money, gives you remote visibility, and provides and compares data from all of your facilities. I hope you come back to see new video content and information on how our product works, how our algorithms save money, how easy it is to install, how to use data to make important decisions, and information on our new Safe Air system that removes fine particulates from your space to keep you healthy and safe. Should you have additional questions, please call us at 877-486-4892. Ask for sales. Thank you for stopping by.